Slow, steady squeeze all the way through.
This isn't your typical air wing unit. The staff from Marine Wing Support Squadron 371's combat engineers ensure their Marines are versatile warfighters, prepared for any combat scenario.
But maybe we wouldn't leave here with mastered. They wouldn't be masters of it, but they'd be proficient enough, and it'd just be continuing on training, trying to get them out here maybe next quarter. Try to get them out here and do the same type of training again, or maybe even add a little bit more to it. You never know what's coming next. We don't know where we're going next, so you might as well prepare for to be called down to do anything, from rifleman to our day-to-day job.
My favorite one was Mark 19, where you know it's basically almost like it's a heavy machine gun.
I'm down for your tray.
All that power in your hands.
America!
I loved it. It was great. It was a great experience. A lot of adrenaline rush.
Send it home.
The Marines will continue to own their combat skills in the months to come.
There you go. Locked
Lance
on.
Corporal James Marchetti, Marine Corps Air Station, Yuma.
If you had or one of those high-speed guys, you should have
Last guy there, second to last guy.
Ready. Okay, the first 6 shots, we're going to do like 6 well-aimed shots. Alright? It's like 220 shots right there, and 250, and this is like 100 meters over there. So you shoot 6, and then we'll reload again with the next 6, and then you'll shoot 6 rapid fire. That's all we do.
Go ahead and give me one more.
Medium light works very well.
Yeah. So then I had to put something in there, you know, so then I come back to my travel plan, put down here that per diem. I didn't want him.
Fast you can, fast you can.
Do one more there. Sweet.
I don't think it gets any better than that.
That was pretty good, sir.
All 6 rounds damage. Turn that thing upside down and dump into.
Hey, Marines, if you can just dump your rounds back here.
Oh, yeah.